rapping,
Yeah,
rappers.
get 'em, rip 'em, rip 'em.
They picked up all my rhymes and found the poetic justice. Say what y'all wanna say, I don't care about nothing. Confidence on overload, yeah, I wear it proudly. They calling them the best, that's until they come and find me. So I be waiting patiently, cause patience is my virtue. A OG told me, Taz, don't worry, my you just do you. Best advice I ever heard, but haters never concern them. Doubts, man, they feel me, bless the world with my spoken word. So I be writing vigorously, the spinach gets the best of me. Viciously, I'm an assassin, autopilot, I'm never crashing. Articulate in every way, I'm fucking with them heavyweights. They say I could have some, said fuck it and took the whole plate. Put my all into my words, it's that shit you never heard. It's that release show anger when you scream fuck the world. And I do this for my writers who haven't found the voice yet. Your mark is set, let's go, we taking off like fighter jets. The bands can make them dance, then my rhymes will make them shimmy. I be spitting circles around, I must be making them dizzy. They try to call my bluff like, what's your name again? You can't freestyle, all you ever talk about is your pen. Reply, my style is never free. Y'all won't get the best of me to chew them up and spit them out with my poetic symphonies. I be spazzing, I be rallying, but my words keep me well-rounded. And my pen gon' get my grandmother out of public housing.
Weezy.
Let's go.
Weezy. Show ya.
Let's go.